It's sunny, but we're going snorkeling.
But you have to say but for that one.
It's sunny, full stop. We're going snorkeling. Oh, I dropped my phone. Woo. We're on the snorkeling boat. I'm so nervous. I've never been snorkeling, and we said I have, so I'm nervous.
Scaredy cat.
Little scaredy cat. Snorkeling gear. I want that one. It's kicked in. Woo! Cheeky little hike. We're doing a hike up to a lookout. It's many stairs. I haven't done any exercise in a long time. Pretty cool. I don't know if you can see me, but we're currently on Whitehaven. It's really nice. We have like 90 minutes here to chill, do what we want, and then we're going snorkeling. It's really nice. Very cool. Tommy boy is living it up. Look how many people. You can just like spread out. It's so crazy. Got some lunch on the boat. Yummy. This is the vibe. We have mango daiquiris. Mango daiquiris in the pool. My hair is a mess.
doing?
So nice. We came here like our first day or our second day and we couldn't swim because we didn't bring swimmers. But now, look at that.
Thank you.
And that's the view, everyone. We are home now from the Coral Sea Resort, which is where we had some drinkies and a little swim. I'm still wet, like that's how quick it took to get home. We are going to have a shower and we're going to bed because we have to get up at 6:30 to go on jet skis. They're picking us up at 7. So we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, guys. As you can tell by my hair, I literally went to bed last night and didn't do anything to it. Just slept. Today's Saturday and we are going jet ski riding. We're so excited. I've never ridden a jet ski before, have you?
No.
So it's first timers. It's 6:55. Oh my god, so early. We got to have that at 7:30 to 9:30 or something like that. That should be fun. Fit for the day. We are at a cafe. It looks really pretty. We're getting a hot chocolate before our jet ski. It's kind of cute. Oh my god, my hair looks really bad. So we're back from the jet skis now. I don't feel too well. I love that. I've got a really bad headache. So we're gonna go relax by the pool. We've got a few snacks. Doritos, dip and chips. And I'm gonna go relax and tan, put some sunscreen on because it's our last night here. Soak up as much sun as possible. Snacks by the pool. Popcorn chicken. Some popcorn chicken. The view. And I still have a headache. Okay guys, we just had a nice relaxing time by the pool. We've showered and now I'm heading off into town to get my first tattoo. So excited. No one knows that I'm getting this tattoo except Tom. We were talking about getting tattoos like months ago. Like when we go to this Whitsundays, we'll get a tattoo. Tom isn't, I am. I'm very excited, very nervous. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the whole process and stuff in this video, but I'm also making a separate video because it's a really big deal to me. I've never gotten a tattoo and I'm very nervous. Sorry Mum if you see this, but I'm getting it in red, so I am responsible. Let's go. Guys, my appointment's in 10 minutes and I'm so nervous. It's just around the corner. I'm literally so scared. So this is where it is. Whitsunday tattooing. Guys, it looks dodgy but it's not, I promise. Alright guys, so we're at a cute bar. It's called Paradiso. Have the whole thing to ourselves right now. Just got tattoo. You would have seen a little bit of that, but go and watch my other video if you want to see more of it. But a little inside, got one there, and I also got a little on my hip. Gonna have a few bevies here. And then dinner? Yep. Dinner here? Then we're gonna go home and get ready to pack. So we're going home tomorrow. Good morning everyone. It is Sunday, which means it's our coming home day. Very sad, but it's okay. So this morning we just woke up, we went to breakfast. We didn't get breakfast yesterday because we went to the jet skis, but we had breakfast today, so we had our last little breakfast there. But I literally just had toast. It wasn't too exciting, and we just finished packing up everything. Tom's all done, of course, so he's just in bed relaxing. I've got pretty much everything packed, ready. My toiletries, pretty much everything is good to go. I've got all the chargers. I've unpacked my drawers. That's Tom's carry-on. My carry-on still isn't packed yet. I'm bringing some other clothes because we're actually going on our helicopter tour today because we were supposed to have it on Thursday, but it was cancelled because of the rain. So we rescheduled it to have it on today so that we could still go on it, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what we're doing today. And then we're supposed to get like a bus to pick us up from our hotel to take us to the airport, but because the helicopter tour is at the airport, we're literally just getting dropped off at our terminal, and then we're gonna have a quick shower if we can. I really want to because I don't want sand on me while I sit on a plane for 2 hours. I really didn't dress up for the plane. I'm just wearing this shirt that I bought from Cotton On up here in Early Beach. I've been wearing it as pajamas because it's quite big, but I really like it. It's so comfy. I'm just gonna get changed, wear a bra and some Gymshark shorts. That's what's been happening today. So very excited. I'm just gonna finish packing up, and then we have a bus picking us up at 10 to 9:30. So perfect. My hair is a literal mess, but I just didn't know what to do with it. So that's what we're doing today. Yay.
This view I said she had like a put out.
It's so cool. Oh my god. On that. Oh, it's so exciting. Look at our helicopter in the background. Oh my god. On the plane now. Look at that tan. The beach tan.